Welcome to English Podcast Academy, where learning English becomes both simple and enjoyable. Hello, my lovely students. Today, we are diving into one of the most effective techniques for improving your speaking skills, the shadowing method. This approach is a game changer for anyone who wants to sound more natural, speak with greater fluency, and refine their pronunciation. Imagine being able to mimic native speakers effortlessly, just like a musician playing by ear. That's exactly what shadowing allows you to do. By actively listening and repeating words in real time, you train your brain to process English faster and speak with confidence. Whether you're struggling with pronunciation, hesitating while speaking, or feeling unsure about your fluency, this method can help you overcome those challenges. So, if you're ready to take your English skills to the next level, stay with me, because this technique can completely change the way you learn and use English in your daily life. So what exactly is shadowing? Shadowing is a powerful language learning technique where you listen to a native speaker and instantly repeat what they say, word for word, without pausing. Think of it as being the speaker's shadow. You follow their speech closely, mirroring their tone, pronunciation, and rhythm as accurately as possible. Imagine hearing a sentence like, "I'm going to the store," and immediately repeating it in the exact same way, matching the speed and intonation. The goal is not just to say the words, but to truly imitate how they are spoken, capturing the natural flow of the language. By doing this regularly, your brain adapts to the patterns of English, helping you process words faster and speak more effortlessly. It's like training your muscles for a sport. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. Over time, this method improves your pronunciation, reduces hesitation, and boosts your confidence in conversations. Why does shadowing work so well? There are several reasons why this technique is so effective. First, it significantly improves your listening skills. When you actively listen to how words are pronounced and how sentences flow, your ears become more attuned to the natural rhythm of English. You start noticing subtle details, like the way native speakers connect words in phrases such as gonna instead of going to, or wanna instead of want to. This heightened awareness helps you understand spoken English more easily in real conversations. Second, shadowing enhances your pronunciation and intonation. By mimicking native speakers, you don't just learn how words sound, you absorb the melody of the language. English has a unique rhythm with stressed and unstressed syllables that give it a natural flow. For example, saying "I'd like a cup of coffee" with the right intonation makes it sound more natural than pronouncing each word separately. Through shadowing, your mouth and tongue get used to these patterns, making your speech sound smoother. Third, it directly boosts your fluency. Just like a musician practicing scales to play more effortlessly, repeating sentences at a natural pace trains your brain to recall words quickly. The more you practice, the less you hesitate when speaking. Over time, you'll notice that words come to you automatically, without overthinking. And finally, shadowing builds confidence. Speaking English can feel intimidating, especially if you're worried about making mistakes. But when you practice shadowing regularly, you become comfortable with the language. You train yourself to think and speak in English without fear, making real conversations much easier. The more you expose yourself to speaking English daily, the more natural and effortless it feels. Now, let's talk about how you can practice shadowing effectively. The first step is to open our playlists and choose an audio or video with clear, natural speech. Start by listening carefully, paying attention to the speaker's pronunciation, tone, and rhythm. Then, repeat immediately after them, without pausing or trying to analyze every word. The goal is to mimic their speech as closely as possible. To get the best results, make shadowing a daily habit. Even practicing for just 10 minutes a day can lead to noticeable improvements over time. Consistency is key. Just like going to the gym, the more you train, the stronger your skills become. Another useful technique is to record yourself while practicing. When you listen to your own speech, you can identify areas where you need improvement, such as pronunciation, speed, or clarity. Compare your recordings to the original audio and make adjustments as needed. By following these simple steps, listening actively, repeating immediately, practicing daily, and tracking your progress, you'll develop better pronunciation, fluency, and confidence in speaking English. Shadowing isn't just a technique, It's a powerful tool that helps you sound more natural and feel more comfortable using English in everyday conversations. Now you know how the shadowing method works and why it's such a powerful technique for improving your English. With regular practice, you'll notice your pronunciation becoming clearer, your fluency improving, and your confidence growing. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more lessons like this. Your support helps us continue creating content that makes learning English easier and more enjoyable for you. Also, be sure to check out our playlists for more structured listening practice. They are designed to help you improve step by step. Keep practicing every day, stay consistent, and you'll see amazing progress. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.